Menopause, that's one phase which every woman goes through, but many people do not want to talk about it. They just feel the symptoms are coming, they will feel it, and the menopause will go. But many of the ladies undergo severe emotional traumas, they undergo a lot of body changes which actually affect them for a longer time. So, today in this event, which we have at Skinny's Clinic and Wellness Center in Bandra West in Mumbai, we are inviting a coach who actually specializes in menopause. She's going to tell us all about the spiritual aspects of menopause. How do you really take care of yourself? How do you accept it? And how do you really go through it while when you have all the symptoms and even when you do not have symptoms? Because this phase sometimes shows difficulty in the form of skin, in the form of hair going away, and there are so many body changes. Body changes, to tell you, fat changes, you have bulkiness in the body, you have metabolism going down, so that you have bloating, inflammation, you have so much of mood changes, and you have so much of emotional burdening, which many people do feel. So muscle mass goes down, it just changes the entire aura of the body. And this is why we have got at Skinny's Clinic a wellness along with the skin, and this we call as 5 steps to body brilliance, in which we will be doing assessing your body index, protein index, fat content, hydration content, and your BMI, which is the deciding criteria to if you're obese, if you're overweight, and many things like that. Along with that, we will be doing electrical muscle stimulation with a machine which specializes in reducing localized fat. There's cavitation, there's radio frequency to reduce the stretch marks and the loose skin above it. Along with that, we are also going to provide you with diet chart. We will be guiding you towards diet, lifestyle, sleep, and of course management of your entire thing spiritually. Isn't that exciting? Yes, to look forward to 5 steps to body brilliance. This is what Skinny's Clinic offers you now. Menopause we all will be going through, but we really do not know कि क्या symptoms असतात. Sometimes symptoms आते हैं जाते हैं, हमको सिर्फ हाँ ओके सिर्फ बेयर करना है ऐसे अपने को पता है. But today थोड़ा एक स्टेप आगे कि उसको हमको टॉलरेट नहीं करना है. We should be at least aware कि ये सिम्टम हुआ कि इसके लिए ये चीज अवेलेबल है, ये सिम्टम हुआ कि ये चीज अवेलेबल है. Women think that अब हम 40 के हो गए, अब क्या ऐसा नहीं होता है. In fact, the best relationship sometimes nourishes after you are 45, 50. बच्चों की responsibility पूरी हो गई है, काम settle हो गया है, business अपनी तरफ चल रहा है, तो that's the time you build your bond with your partner. So. And now just focus on your breath. Just notice where your breath is. So thank you, Parul, for inviting me. It has been lovely coming to this clinic and seeing all the work that she's doing. And I'm really excited about the pelvic floor machine, which I've seen for the first time in my life. And I think it's going to be so helpful for women who are going through various issues related to their pelvic floor, for incontinence, for strengthening the muscles. And Parul is doing some breakthrough work, in that. And just so happy that we were able to meet some women who are in different stages of menopause and help them, guide them, educate them on what menopause is. So menopause is just a transition. It is not the end of life. Absolutely. Well said, and thank you so much, Coach Meeta, to come over on such a short notice and give us a beautiful presentation. And the meditation was absolutely heartwarming. It was something spiritually we were helping them to take care of the stage of menopause. Thanks for everything, and yes, cheers to the pelvic floor machine which we have for women wellness in our clinic, and the localized fat reduction, inch reduction, because now we are spreading to Skinny's Clinic and Wellness Center too. Thank you so much, and more of such we will be getting for you.
वेलनेस के लिए जो एक सेशन रखा है बहुत पसंद आया, बहुत अच्छा लगा. थैंक यू पारुल, थैंक यू.
I'm thankful to Dr. Meeta and Dr. Parul for inviting us for the wellness program which he has arranged today and broadening our knowledge regarding many points which we were not aware of. So sweet of her to call us for the event. Thank you.
मुझे यहाँ आके बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत अच्छे से ट्रीटमेंट करती है पारुल.
Thank you, Parul. You are organized today's programs. I like it.